Spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on.
Hey folks, I'm Richard with Enhanced Renovations and North Home Remodeling. And of course, welcome to another in the series of projects that we're doing here. This one happens to be in Fuquay-Varina. This is for a couple known as Matt and Alex. And what we're going to be doing is basically extending an existing room above the garage to make it into an office / man cave, if we will. Dormer out off the roof to create a beautiful window that'll bring in tons of light. This is a southern exposure as well. The roof is a hip roof, as you will see, that matches the architectural features of the home. We are incorporating pocket doors to save space, to make sure that we can make the most of this room itself without any interruptions of doors swinging back and forth. We are also incorporating a bathroom, which will have a vanity, a toilet, and a custom shower due to the nature of the vaulted ceiling. And you'll also be able to see some of the other features within the walls right now that are exposed. The vapor barrier that's installed, the baffles for the vaulted ceiling areas, and of course insulation.